Guys, so today we will be using a matrix to compare the number of the website by the country and its type. So I've already downloaded the file. This is the file and I can show you the table. So this is the table where we are using ranking, site, domain, types. So let's see what's the situation. We need to create a matrix with the type, right? So I will go on the report view. I will click on matrix. In matrix, I will put type in the rows, and then I will put Asia, Europe, North, which is the continent, in the columns, right? And then top website, I will put then sites in the value, and it will do its count. So I will click here and I will click on the count. Now it's giving us the same numbers 1 2 1 1 1 1 2 1 1 1, right? Now if we want, we can add the title here also, top website. I will click here, journal, then this, then top websites. I will make it a little bit bigger, and color, font color, I will choose it like this, and then this, and we can also mark the background as this, right? And we can also add the coloring here. So this is just the format, how it will look like. It's now compact or default, but we can choose it as like this. So these are the different things that you can use as a preset for a matrix, right? And then there was another condition. We need to add the continent, then the country, and then the count of sites, right? So I will put this site, and I will add one more matrix with the continent, and in that continent I will put uh, the country. Now we, if you see this picture, we need to put the country inside the continent, right? So for that, I will put the country also in the rows. Right now you are seeing that there is nothing, no countries shown up here. When you click here, drill or expand, then you can see that, yeah, we are having now under Asia, we are having these countries, Europe, we are having these countries, right? And then I will put the site of the count in the values column like this. So this is how you use the matrix. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.